How to apply loan from Chase Bank. Open up a preferred web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in chase.com and search. Doing so will take you to visit the official Chase Bank website. Now, you'll need to choose the loan type you'd want to apply for. You can select between personal loan, auto loan, or mortgage. Select the loan type you'd like to apply for and click on the apply button. Here I'm going to apply for home loans. So let me go ahead and click on the home option. So I've clicked on the home loan option. Now make sure you have all of the necessary details, documents, which may include identification, proof of income, and other required financial information. Answer all of the questions that you will find along the way and click the next button. Now, you'll also need to sign into your Chase.com account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll first need to register and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you are logged in, by entering your username and password, complete the loan application on the next page. Provide all the necessary required information accurately and honestly, and then submit the application and wait for the bank to review your request. That is how you'll be able to apply for a loan from Chase Bank. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.